Captain, we're gonna go with C1.
Oh, that's a hit! Yes! Bring on the GERP'd! Oh, hello friends and welcome. And guess what today is? Oh, it's a day of nautical nonsense. It's a day of high seas adventures. We're playing Battleship. That's right. And guess what? It's not just your ordinary battleship. It's life-size battleship. We are going to have players on the board, actual players and people. When they get hit, oh, they get hit. That's right. With our wonderful GERP. How I love the smell of GERP on the high seas. Let's get started.
Okay, so let's talk strategy. So first,
whisper, they're listening.
I think we should either attack at the corners or play to the corners. Because either they're gonna think to do that or they're not gonna think to do that.
So first we need to come up with our team name.
I think we should be boats.
Oh, no. Boats.
Let's be boats.
Boats.
our name should be Vitamin C, like the ocean.
Like the high sea.
Or we could be Vitamin
let's
Ocean.
be high sea.
Yeah, mine sucked. You're right, Liz. What if we're Vitamin Ocean? Vitamin Ocean!
I've picked Team Boats Squad. That's right. So you go first, make your choice wisely.
B4.
B4. Hit! Oh!
Oh, that is thick. Thicker.
I just watched my friend get slaughtered.
And now, Vitamin Ocean's turn.
Aye, Captain.
Yes.
We are gonna go with D2.
It's going to be a miss. Yes. Team Boats Squad, what shall ye choose?
I picked C3, sir.
It looks like a miss. Congratulations on not getting hit.
Yay!
Yes. Now it's your turn.
Sir, we are going to go with A3.
Let's see. Oh, direct miss.
What?
Oh.
Like that.
Oh.
At least we directly missed it with intention.
And now for Team Boat Squad. What shall ye choose?
B2.
B2, let's see. Ooh, very wise choice, but still a miss.
Yes!
Oh, ho, ho. And now for Vitamin Ocean, Redemption.
Captain, we're gonna go with C1.
C1. Oh, that's a hit. Yes! Bring on the GERP! I love the smell of GERP in the morning. Well, it is heating up.
Wait, can I move now? No.
No, what? Have you ever played Battleship before?
I've never played.
And now, Boats Squad, what shall ye choose?
Pick a good C4.
C4. Looks like redemption taken. Yes! Oh! And you sunk a battleship! You sunk a battleship! Yes!
Yeah! I'm ready. That was too much. Too much pink.
And now, Vitamin Ocean, what shall ye choose?
Captain?
Yes?
D1.
D1. Oh, it looks like a hit!
Whoa! That's not D1!
Yeah, what the heck happened? That's D1.
I didn't deserve that.
Looks like there was an accidental GERPing.
No, it's not okay. I wanted to get GERP. I'm D1 and I'll stay proud. Oh, I'm taking that. Oh my gosh, Isabella!
I got this, Rachel. Trust me. I got this.
You might want to gather your forces.
Captain!
Yes.
D2, sir!
D2. Ooh, looks like you've only hit the high seas, my friend. No hit for you.
We are confidently going to guess B1.
B1. Direct hit! Yes!
Wait, do I think?
Ooh, nothing like the shriek on the high seas.
Oh, I'm sinking.
And you've sunk a battleship. Congratulations. Get back on your battleship. Where are you going? Boats, squad, what shall ye pick?
A2.
A2. Ooh, looks like a direct hit! Yes! Bring on the game!
I broke it. I broke it in the excitement. It's so heavy.
We're, one of our battleships is down, but we still have 2 more. I'm confident about our strategy, and so
I'm not confident in general, but I am confident in Liz. And she's gonna save the day on this one.
Oh, boy, no pressure.
No pressure, but she will.
gosh.
Yeah.
oh gosh. We sunk a ship. We know where the other ship is. We have a plan. We know exactly our next strategy. We know that's gonna be a 3, so we need to find the single.
Oh no! Shark attack!
What?
Oh! Watch your sharks! Yes! Go, little sharky, go!
Why is this happening to me?
Now that we're back, it's time for Vitamin Ocean to decide ye fate.
D4.
Jolly good, yes, you hit! Yes!
Why?
I hope you conceded. It's great.
Suck them. We're gonna sink their battleship.
It's time for boats, squad.
A3.
A3. Direct hit! Yes! Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Hey, that feels like the right amount. Dalton, you're so good at hosting. I'm gonna give you such a big hug after this is done.
I doubt it.
We have decided upon C4.
C4. Miss! Miss! And now, boats, squad, what do you say? A4. Hit and sunk! Yes!
Am I bleeding? Is that blood? Am I bleeding? No, am I bleeding? I'm bleeding.
Shark attack!
Bash shark. Stop it.
Yes! Oh! Team boats, focus! You're in the midst of war. Cannot be distracted by simple sharks. What shall ye choose? Little squirt?
D3.
E3. Looks like a direct hit to me! Yes! And battleship song! Well, it looks like it has been a plentiful battle on both sides. Now it's time to settle the score. Team boats, what ye say?
Boats, squad.
Oh, boats, squad.
B3.
B3, direct hit and ship song! You win! You win! You win!
We did it! I told you!
Good call, man. You knew. I like the way you work.
No diggity.
I got him swimming it up.
Oh.
We lost 2 ships, but not 3. We won!
Came out the champs!
Team boats, squad. We won!
Just goes to show you the tides of war could change at any time. Well, from the looks of it, it seems like it was a valiant battle on both sides. But ultimately, boats squad pulled out the victory. So sorry. What fierce competitors you are! Yes!
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other butts can't deny. So when a boat walks in, lean back and
If there are any other games you'd like us to supersize and play, let us know in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching here at Pocket Watch.